Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So, how are you all? Hope you are very well. Today, guys, I have shared with you crochet gloves design. So elegant, so gorgeous gloves are uploaded for you. These are so elegant, gorgeous ideas, and different colors are so gorgeous videos. And white color, black color, red colors, and different gorgeous gloves are uploaded for you, and these designs are so stunning videos, are so gorgeous ideas, and mustard yellow color and white color, so gorgeous ideas are uploaded. These videos uploaded are so gorgeous videos, and I am totally effort for this video कि आप लोगों को मतलब वो डिज़ाइंस में दिखाऊं जो आप लोग देखना चाहते हैं। आप लोगों को मतलब लाइक कमेंट शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करिएगा और मुझे अच्छे से अच्छा फीडबैक दें। आपको इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो इससे भी इम्प्रूवल मिलेंगी और आप लोगों के लिए वो बेनिफिट भी होगा और काफ़ी सारी चीज़ों का आप लोग कैप्चर कर पाएंगे, ट्रेंड्स को फॉलो कर पाएंगे। ये सारी जो चीज़ें होती हैं ये कई वाली चीज़ें होती हैं जिन्हें हमें कैप्चर करना पड़ता है। You like our videos? And different colors are so stunning videos are uploaded for you. So elegant, so gorgeous, so amazing. And different black colors. And black colors, 2 colors, 3 colors, 4 colors. Our gloves are so amazing design. You like so elegant. So amazing, gorgeous ideas. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, and hit the button of all notification. So gorgeous, so elegant ideas are uploaded for you. Like to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button all notification ideas. And this video is related to different pattern and next uploaded for you. I am waiting for this comment. So let's go, inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching our videos. Thanks once again. Take care yourself. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep your home in abundance, and may you continue to enjoy my video like this, Ami. Allah Hafiz.